guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share my latest purchase, and this time it is from Tory Burch, and I got a tote bag. It comes with a really nice beautiful gift box, so let's open it, see what's inside. So this is what they call the Ella Micro Tote, and this is in blue. It is so tiny, so it's like when I saw this one online it says micro tote, and I was started thinking like, wow, this must have been really tiny, because they have, like, most of the time they called some of those luxury brands, they have like nano, and this time like micro, so this must have been really tiny. So I got this one. It's in blue. It is such a pretty color. So this one is it's lightweight. Like, it's almost like it weighs nothing though. It is, yeah. So this one, yeah, basically this one are designed to hold your basic necessities. So don't expect that you could stuff this one, like you could put a lot of things in it. So let's open and see what's inside. So yeah, this one comes just like this, without, like, without packaging. And okay, let's see what else they got. Yeah, this is the strap. You could wear this one as a crossbody. Here's the tag for tote, and then yeah, that's how it looks inside. It has a wide opening though. It has a wide opening, and let's take this one out. It's so tiny. Oh my goodness. It comes with a gold hardware. Oh, the zip closure is really soft. Look at the zip closure. It's really soft. Obviously this one over here at the bottom, it's made up of leather. And the logo, it's also in leather. And as well as the strap, as well as the top handle, and then the side corner. So this is the zipper pull. It also has a leather in here. Let's take a look at the strap. So this strap, let's take a look at the strap. Oh, the strap is, oh, it's pretty slim. It's soft. Oh, look at that one. So it's just like a clasp where you could just attach to it. So let's attach the strap. Let's put the strap on. So you could wear it as a crossbody bag. So just like that. So this one is adjustable, so you could adjust it according to the length. So this is pretty much, yeah, it's so lovely. I love it. It's really soft. So look at, that's how it looks like. If you like blue, this would be a perfect color for you. And also, yeah, I love how it's so light. It's like you could also wear this one by using the handle itself, of course. So you could just put it right on your wrist, just like that. That's perfect. Yes, so it looks like. So now let's see what fits inside this Ella micro tote. Ella micro tote. Really, really micro tote. So pretty much you could just let's see. Okay, I have here, as you can see, I have some of my small leather goods. So they're arranged accordingly to what I need, like whenever I feel like, putting it in my purse, whenever I feel like I just arrange it like that. So if I need any of these, like whenever I felt like during the day, I just grab it and put it in my bag. So I'm probably gonna have to try putting up let's see. Let's start with the phone. So I have here, this is the 11 Pro Max. So let's see if 11 Pro Max would fit inside the micro tote. Yes. So let's see. Yes, it does fit. But you're just gonna have to kind of maneuver it a little bit. But it fits perfectly. It does fit perfectly. See, that's the opening. Yes, it does fit perfectly. And then I have here, I also have it. This is the 11 iPhone 7 Plus, and they're just the same size as the 11 Pro Max. So yeah, that fits. But the case, see the iPhone case, looks so gorgeous. So that fits. So let's just put this one, the iPhone 7 Plus. And then what else? Let's try on the wallet. Let me try this blue one that we have here. This is from the Tigerama collection, and this is a Louis Vuitton. So this is a really nice blue color. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. Let's see if it fits. Oh yes, it fits perfectly. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. You could take it in. You could put it in. You could take it out so easily. Just like that. So what else? Of course, we're going to put... Oh, I also have this one in cobalt though. This is also a nice blue. So cobalt. So, of course, this one fits perfectly, of course. But of course, you're not gonna put two card holder inside. Just needed one. But let's say I wanted to use the other blue, and then we needed what else do we need? We need a key holder. So this is the 4 key holder. This is from Louis Vuitton. And I also have here, this is for 6 key holder. So let's just say, because this is a tiny bag, so let's use the 4 key holder. So I'm gonna put the 4 key holder. And then what else do we need? And then a coin holder. Let's see. Oh, okay. I have this blue. This is a metallic blue. This is from Victoria's Secret. I have this for a while now, and this is very, very nice. And you could put some coins in here, or your cards as well, however you want. So let's try to put this one. Let's say you have your coins inside. Yes, it does. Yeah, it fits. Yes, you could open it. I stuffed this one, so you could open this one, and you could put your key if you want. So that's nice. So let's put the one inside. Let me take this one out first. The key, I'm gonna arrange them. Yeah, that's... Oh, see, that's perfect. So basically, like, it's not gonna fit a lot. So this is pretty much like all you needed. You needed your wallet, your phone, your key, your coin holder. That's pretty much it, right? And it's lightweight. Look. It's so beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. I love the color. So if you want to be fancy, yeah, I don't have a card. I don't have a key holder. If you want to be like all blue, so this is what fits inside at the moment. We have the card holder, the coin, we have our phone, we have a key. So let's say if you wanted to, yeah, you could put some, yeah, this is, you could put some mirror. So yeah, this is, I have a Chanel mirror here, or you wanted this Victoria's Secret mirror, whichever you like. So let's just say you wanted to put, okay, I have a pocket agenda, and let's see if pocket agenda fits in here. As this is from Louis Vuitton Demi Ibn. So let's see if this one fits. No, this one wouldn't fit in here. Okay, that's too bad. Let's see. Okay, key clay, of course. The key clay, of course, this would fit. This is my Louis Vuitton multi-card. This would fit. Obviously this would fit, but it's a little bit, yeah, this would fit. So what else do we want to put inside? So if you want to put, I also have this, this is a card holder from Kate Spade. This is a really nice lightweight wallet as well. This one also fits in here. Yeah, it's perfect. But for today, I am just gonna show you the things that the necessities, the basic necessities that we needed. So that just would fit in here. So you don't want to overstuff this bag. But this is quite flexible though. Very flexible. It's very lightweight. So pretty much you need your phone. It's important. As long as it fits your phone. And then this is such a beautiful wallet. A Tigerama collection from Louis Vuitton. So this, I'm so happy that this one fits in here. Like, oh my goodness, I was already thinking like, oh my gosh, it's a micro tote, so this may not fit in here, but apparently it just fits perfectly. Like, look at that one, it has more room. We still have more room. We still have plenty of room in here. So I'm gonna put the key. This is a 4-key holder, so let's just probably put it this now. Let's just probably have to lay it flat. And then our coin holder, and then if you want a mirror, you could put the mirror. And then what else do we need? The lipstick. Okay, I might probably gonna switch into this Victoria's Secret, because this Victoria's Secret is round. So pretty much this one would fit because this is round. So that fits right there perfectly. Yeah, this one is round, so yeah, that's just like that. It's on the other side too. So that fits. And then what else do we need? And then we need a lipstick. I think my lipstick, where did I put my lipstick? So I'm probably gonna have to go over in this corner. These are some of my lipsticks, so let's just probably, I felt like using this one. I know, the black. And then yes, would this still fit? Yeah, it would still fit in here apparently. If you want to add more. Yeah, it's perfect. And this is how it looks inside. It's very light. I love the top handle. It's so beautiful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to put something else, yeah, that would have been perfect. But basically, though, these are just all the stuff that I will be carrying all throughout the day if I'm going to be using this bag. And yeah, so we have two lipsticks on, two lipsticks. We have the iPhone plus the wallet, and then the keys, and then the coin holder, and then the mirror. That's pretty much what I needed. And this is so cute. Uh-oh, look at that. The feather. This is so cute. I so love it. And this one retails is $178. And I got so lucky. I got this one in sale. And yeah. So this one, which one is bigger? I was thinking from the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy bag. Let me just get my Nano and see the comparison. So I have here the Nano and then the side comparison between the two. So let's see. That's the side comparison, and then yeah. Of course, Nano would fit a lot more than this. And then yeah, see, that's how they look like. And then let's see the front. Pretty much the same though. Yeah. But the only difference is that this one is more expensive than the Tory ones. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.